Toyota Motor Corporation has launched the new generation Yaris Cross compact SUV. It is Toyota's first compact vehicle to adapt the TNGA platform and also the first to feature an electric four-wheel drive system. The Yaris Cross is 4,180mm in length, it is 1,765mm wide and has a height of 1,560mm. It has the same wheelbase as the Yaris Super Mini though, at 2,560mm. In terms of appearance, the Yaris Cross takes its cues from other Toyota SUVs. The fascia has a two-tier grille with the Toyota logo sitting on top of the sleeker mesh grille. Along with the high-placed headlamps, there are vertical DRLs, while the circular fog lamps are on the lower grille. In profile, the Yaris Cross gets squared-off wheel arches and blacked-out floating roof design. At the back, the tail lamp design gets a sharp LED unit with blacked-out internals. The compact SUV sits on 18-inch wheels. On the inside, the cabin gets a larger floating touchscreen display and a digital instrument cluster compared to the hatchback. And the center console is more calibrated for an SUV as well. At the back, the split seats add practicality to the cargo space, which has adjustable height and split space feature. The Yaris Cross is aimed for hatchback buyers who want the practicality of a high-riding vehicle. Yaris Cross SUV comes with a four-wheel drive system with options to select multiple terrain modes. First, for Toyota Compact SUV. The hybrid model is the first Toyota Compact SUV to have an E4 electric four-wheel drive system. It is equipped with a new generation hybrid electric vehicle system which uses a 1.5-litre inline 3-cylinder dynamic force engine based on the TNGA philosophy.